Hey everyone, it's Miss Des from the Boys and Girls Club, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own lip scrub. Some ingredients you'll need are honey, coconut oil, some sugar, a bowl, a mixing spoon, and a tablespoon. Alright, so for the first step, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, now you're just going to get that same tablespoon and get a scoop of melted coconut oil and place it into the bowl. As you can see here, I'm kind of struggling because the oil literally just got stuck in the tablespoon and I had to like shake it out. Alright, now you're just going to need 1 scoop of honey. But as you can see here, I'm not really strong because I couldn't even squeeze a bottle of honey. It took me a while. You can literally see how happy I am just to get a little bit of honey out. And guess what happened right here? I spilled some honey, but barely made it into the bowl. So I guess we're good. So these are all our ingredients, and we're just gonna mix it all together now. Alright, so I'm going to be storing this into a clear container. You guys can actually use a Ziploc bag or even just use this once, but I think it's better just to save it since you are making a lot. And also, if you don't like the color, you can just add in a little bit of lipstick. I'm just using one that I don't like, and I just scoop out a little bit and mix it into that lip scrub. Alright, now let's try it. So lip scrubs are actually great to use when your lips are peeling or chapped, and as you can see, some actually even got in my mouth, and I actually really liked how it tastes. Just, I wouldn't recommend eating the one that you put lipstick in. Try without the lipstick and you'll be safe. So after you use your lip scrub and rub it in, I would suggest to use a wet napkin to clean it off, and you should be left with some clean, smooth lips. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you some fun little clips. This is my little puppy. Her name is Cookie. So I'm here just mixing it all up, dancing, enjoying the time. Even I'm lip singing too, because that's like my favorite thing to do. Living my best life, closing this cap. Then here goes my clumsy self. I just can't stop being clumsy, y'all. I don't know why, because look. Guys, why am I like this? I can't stop. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your new lip scrubs. See you soon.